Good morning and welcome to Sararights TV News. I am Florence. Thank you for joining us. Tonight we bring you comprehensive coverage from Uganda, West Nile, Arua City and round the world with top headlines. President Museveni delivers the 2026 State of the Nation address, outlining Uganda's economic transformation agenda and calling for greater wealth creation. Uganda Police Defence Force reminds eligible Ugandans about military recruitment requirements and application procedures for those seeking to join the force. Uganda strengthens Ebola surveillance after confirmation of additional cases. Uganda adjusts national celebration. Health authorities maintain prevention measures. West Nile leaders call for increased investment in infrastructure and youth employment. Arua City residents optimistic about economic growth and urban development. International agencies call for regional cooperation in managing public health challenges. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yesterday delivered the 2026 State of Nation address at Kololo Ceremonial Ground in Kampala. The president highlighted progress in infrastructure development, industrialization, export growth, wealth creation, and economic transformation. He called upon leaders at all levels to focus on results that directly improve household income and reduce poverty. The president also emphasized the importance of agriculture modernization, manufacturing, education, and technology in driving Uganda's economic growth. According to the address, Uganda continues to register growth in exports and industrialization production, while government plans focus on increasing productivity and value additions. The president further urged public servants and leaders to prioritize service delivery and accountability in government progress. The Uganda People Defence Force has continued to provide information for citizens interested in joining the military service. According to the official UPDF guidelines, applicants must be Ugandan citizens possessing a valid national identification card, be physically and medically fit, maintaining a good disciplinary record, and meet required age and educational qualifications. Applicants are also required to obtain recommendation from local authorities and security officials. The UPDF say recruitment exercises follow official procedures and citizens are advised to rely only on information issued through authorized government channels. Authorities have also warned the public against fraudsters who claim to offer recruitment opportunities in exchange for money. Ebola response intensifies. Uganda Ministry of Health has strengthened surveillance and response measures after confirming of additional Ebola cases. Health officials report that contact tracing, community sanitization, and treatment efforts continue in affected areas. Citizens have been encouraged to report suspected symptoms immediately and follow public health guidance. Medical terms remains on alert as government works with international partners to contain the outbreak. Government legislative agenda. Government has outlined an ambitious legislative agenda for the coming financial year, with dozens of bills expected before Parliament. The proposed legislation is expected to support economic development, governance reforms, public service delivery, and national development priorities. Leaders call for more development projects. Leaders in West Nile have continued advocating for increased investment in infrastructure, healthcare, education, and youth employment. The region has witnessed improvement in road networks, electricity access, and business opportunities. But local leaders say additional investment are needed to accelerate socio-economic transformation. Community leaders have particularly emphasized support for agriculture and small business as key drivers of household income. Youth encouraged to embrace government programs. Youth people across West Nile have been encouraged to participate in government wealth creation initiatives, vocational training programs, and entrepreneurship projects. Officials say such program provides opportunity for self-employment and economic empowerment. Agricultural production improving. Farmers across the West Nile are reporting improved harvests in several districts following favorable weather conditions and increased adoption of modern farming techniques. Agricultural extension workers continue to encourage farmers to embrace commercial agriculture and value additions. Business community optimistic. Business operators in Arua City have expressed optimism about economic growth prospects during the year. Traders say improvement in infrastructure, cross-border trade, and urban development projects are creating opportunities for investment and employment. The city continues to serve a major commercial hub connecting Uganda to neighboring countries. Urban development projects continue. Arua City authorities have reaffirmed their commitment to improving roads, drainage system, markets, and public services. Residents have welcomed ongoing efforts aimed at improving living conditions and attracting new investment into the city of Arua. School sector receives support. Schools across Arua City are continuing efforts to improve academic performance through enhanced learning program and community involvement. Education stakeholders say increased parental participation remains important in improving learning outcomes. Regional cooperation urged as Ebola cases rise. International health organizations have called for strong African countries following recent Ebola cases reported in Uganda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The International Organization for Migration says coordinated border monitoring and community awareness campaigns are critical in preventing further spread of the disease. Health experts have warned that unofficial border crossings could increase transmission risks if neighboring countries act independently. The World Health Organization continues to work closely with government across the region to strengthen disease surveillance and emergency response systems. Global economy faces new challenges. Around the world, governments continue to address rising living costs, unemployment concerns, and economic recovery efforts. Experts say investment in agriculture, manufacturing, technology, and infrastructure remains essential for sustainable development and long-term economic growth. Developing organizing are increasing focusing on value addition and industrialization as pathways towards reducing poverty and creating employment opportunities. International security development. Several countries continue discussing on regional security cooperation, peacekeeping efforts, and counter-terrorism operations. World leaders have emphasized diplomacy and dialogue as key tools for maintaining peace and stability. Health officials continue urging members of the public to practice good hygiene, wash hands regularly, and seek medical attention whenever symptoms of illness are observed. Communities have also been encouraged to cooperate with health workers conducting surveillance activities. Coming to business news, focus on industrial growth. Uganda's industrial sector remains a major focus of government development plans. Officials say increased manufacturing and value addition are expected to boost exports, create jobs, and strengthen economic growth. Economic analysts believe that continued investment in energy, transport, and technology infrastructure will support business competitiveness. Coming to sports news, athletes prepare for regional competitions. Ugandan athletes continue preparation for upcoming regional and international competition. Sports officials remain optimistic that national teams will perform strongly and enhance Uganda's reputation on the international stage. Training camps and talent development programs continue across the country. Tonight, West Nile, including Arua City, is expected to experience partially cloudy conditions with hence chance of isolated showers. Central Uganda will remain generally warm with occasional cloud cover, while eastern and northern regions may receive scattered rainfall. Motorists are advised to exercise caution during periods of reduced visibility. That is all we had for you tonight from Sararights TV. Thank you for choosing Sararights TV as your trusted source of news. And you can follow us on all our social media platforms. You can get us in Facebook, in Instagram, in Twitter. Thank you. I am Florence. We are committed in bringing you updates to keep you informed on the matters that are going around us. Thank you. Have a good day. Like how many minutes?
Like 14, come on.